Hello my YouTube friends, and welcome to the second video of the series Winter Holiday Decorations for 2021. Look at this group of small Christmas trees. They're all done with branches of various evergreen trees from my garden. They have different colors, structure of the needles. Let me show how I did these small trees, and we will start with this one. These are the materials I will be using for this tree: a dry foam cone, a garland, ornament hangers, hot glue gun, and a lot of evergreen twigs. I will be using Thuja Green Giant. First, I will cut each hanger into two parts and we'll be using them to attach the garland. And before this, let me first attach the first layer of twigs. I glued my first layer of evergreens and also wrapped and attached using these ornament hangers the garland. I will continue. Now I will do another layer of evergreens, and I don't worry that they are not too dense enough, but I will take care of this later. Another layer of evergreens and lights is done. Let me finish and I will show you the result. The tree is ready. For my second tree, I am using Juniper brand, and I am attaching them starting from the lower layer with hot glue and these hooks because they're heavy with the berries. Just look at this beauty. I can leave it as it is or decorate, especially the top of it. For my third tree, I will be using all natural materials. Some flower pots, I bought them, cones from my evergreen trees, preserved moss, cloves and star anise. This is my tree. I'm still working on it. I need to glue more cones to do the lower portion. The only material that is not natural are these artificial pomegranates, but everything else are pods, nuts, cones, and so forth, and spices of course. And I use dried moss, preserved moss, to fill in the holes between my materials. I made 3 more trees using the same techniques but different conifers. This tree really does not need any decorations because the tips are so beautiful and colorful. Used 3 varieties of trees on this one. Very pretty. A combination of juniper and spices. All three of them look very differently. Happy holidays, my YouTube friends. Don't miss my next videos from this series, and thank you for watching.